What we have here today, we have some assistance provided by BEL that will be given out to the families that were affected with the flooding due to Hurricane Eddy. Immediately after the flooding, BEL reached out to us and asked what kind of assistance they could have provided. And at the time, the immediate needs were food and water. So they provided us with some basic food items. We have rice, we have beans, flour, sausages and stuff like that. Basic canned foods, along with some water that will be issued to those families in need. The areas that these items will be distributed will be Calla Creek, Bullet Tree, Santa Familia, Arenal, Benke, Succotz. Those were the areas that were mostly affected by the flood. As soon as packaging is done, then it's going to be issued by our internal relief supplies committee. No? We just want to say a big thank you to BEL for the great donation contribution they had provided to us and the family that will receive this wonderful package. No?